Greetings everyone. While staying in Sapphire, we decided to do a walk through the Sapphire Wetlands Reserve. It's only a short drive from the caravan park, so we hit the road and then took a walk through all that wetlands area. They had a typical 60s Sapphire miners cottage there with an outhouse dunny, so that's always of interest. Unfortunately, the wetlands were pretty dry, not a drop of water to see, so we didn't see many birds. In fact, we hardly saw any birds. There was plenty of signage on the birds that otherwise would be there, so that was nice to see. I took the drone near the bird hide and fired it up so we could get an overview of the area. So we did see a couple of kangaroos, so I guess they don't mind the dry spell. Also on the way back, we walked a bit in the riverbed of the Reynolds River. This is where the sapphire madness began in the first place, when someone found sapphires in the past. You can see people are still digging holes there just in case, another big sapphire or ruby might show up. It's never too late to become rich from a small hole.